So the other day, I went to a co-working space, and in the evening, they had some drinks and like a startup networking event. So naturally, there were a lot of founders at this event. And I probably spoke to about 4 different founders throughout the night, and I observed something really freaking cool. None of these founders had any prior experience or background in the problem or the industry that their startup was now in. And let me share some examples. So I spoke to this one couple. They have a startup in the artificial intelligence space, and the guy came from a law background, and the girl literally came from not a tech background at all. She was a complete noob to the tech industry. He learned how to code in his spare time, which led him down the AI route, and she was literally learning AI on the fly while they were building this business. And I met another guy whose business makes some physical device and software that reads the amount of protein that there are in grains. And guess what? He did not have any kind of agricultural background or whatever other applications there are to this device. He spotted a problem and an opportunity. He learned what he needed to and then hired people who had the knowledge in that domain, and now they're doing really well. When I had my energy startup, I knew nothing about the energy industry, and I learned so much on the go. And to this day, I can tell you so much about how energy is generated, the supply and demand, the pricing, you name it. But this just shows you that if you have a problem you're passionate about, you can solve it. Imposter syndrome is real, but when you don't know a lot about something, you can bring quite a fresh perspective to the problem. I walked away really inspired that evening.